The first touch point of kabkin was like 7 years ago. We started to develop kabkin on the backbone of a company that is already 170 years old. It was a very interesting point in the history of the company, and the evaluation of our engineering process was when we found out that kinematic includes or is a science that provides plenty of potential to the world. In the past, we used kinematic to produce hinges and to provide mechanical solution to the world, what was fair enough. But over time, I think it was in 2013 or 14, we found out that this approach includes much more than just producing hinges and similar parts. We found out that kinematic is a science that has the potential to provide the world different kind of access to product development, product design, and how do we get from a problem instantly and directly one-on-one to a match, to a real product. The background is that most of our daily task requirements, things that we need, are directly linked and connected to mechanical and functional aspects. What kinematic does usually is it uses this functional logic inside a demand, inside a problem, and makes something out of it. Right? That's what we did at kabkin. We use demands in a way of prompts and directly identify functional patterns within a problem, within a task, or whatever requirement that you find, and directly transfer these functional aspects into spare parts, into products. That means you can directly connect or translate a demand, whatever kind of demand, into a real product. And I think that was the basic approach of kabkin and the whole, it took us 7 years. It took us 7 years to develop a platform that provides exactly this. kabkin is the first place, maybe the port of call for everyone who wants to instantly transform prompts, demands, in a very easy and laid-back way directly into a product. We found that was a massive approach because you already have in the tech cosmos plenty of opportunities and options to directly link whatever demand into knowledge, into text, into whatever. Fair enough, but you don't find anything that directly transfers a prompt, a demand, into a real product. So we have good examples of disruptive moments in the world, especially when it comes down to Amazon, Facebook, ChatGPT, Google. All that provides a very slim, fast and efficient, highly comfortable process to specific kind of solutions. But all that is not or does not include the option to transfer an idea, an innovation, a daily task in whatever market directly into your own individual product in a way of a match. So we found this approach from prompt, outsource, and match highly interesting and highly exciting, because by optimizing or by putting kinematic into a daily usable tool, it provides plenty of benefits to customers and to users. You don't have to look for something, you don't have to search, you don't have to find, you don't have to design on your own, to develop, to build an own engineering department, and so on and so on. So you can completely outsource all your efforts with just one prompt that you can directly formulate in a free way. Or maybe use templates to just get advice and get some assistance. So what we did at kabkin is we built, I would say, a digital port of call that allows users to instantly transfer their demand in a prompt in a freely formulated way without any restrictions. So you don't need to limit yourself by market offers, by ideas, by knowledge or whatever. Nothing of that is necessary. You can just prompt whatever is in your mind, whatever problem occurs right at the moment. It comes up, it shows up wherever you are, at home, on the job, traveling, wherever you are, on the train, on a bus. There's no knowledge, no expertise needed. It's just a simple and easy access, easy entrance to dive into a world where product development becomes as natural and easy as Google, as finding information on ChatGPT. The difference is what we do, we start at the same point, but finally you get a real product. And I mean your real product, a customized one. As I said, all that is based on a very long tradition of 170 years of kinematic engineering, of producing products for almost any market in the world. So one would say it could be described as the oldest startup in the world, but in fact it isn't. It's just a new option for people to come to customized products, to experience something that is pretty new. And we are absolutely convinced that it provides the world something that is really needed. We have no time. The world is complex. Product development is expensive. Value chain change over time. And we see that everyone is really looking for fast, easy, and high quality solution that can be provided in a fast way around the globe. We think that Kabkin, based on kinematic, has now built something that provides exactly this. Where you don't have to make up your mind about or worry about how can I set up innovations, how can I come from a problem to a solution. All that is now possible at Kabkin using the Kabkin interface. Just prompt whatever you have, whatever your task or requirement is. Qualify it with your KPIs, with your budget, with your timing. What are you able to expend? What are you capable to spend when you need the product? All that can be outsourced to Kabkin directly to your personal engineer who takes care of that. You get an instant reaction of, is it possible? Can we do it? Can we realize your idea within hours? Usually on the next workday, we guarantee this, and you get the comfort of designing product with a kind of a daily tool. So what we did is you can use product development as a daily tool as you use Google and all the other things that you have on your mobile or on your computer. So product development, product design, the whole process, including production, becomes an on-demand process. Very slim, very easy, very fast, usable for everyone, effortless. We hope that everyone finds out or can now experience that Kabkin and the Kabkin interface is a daily usable tool as Google is, as ChatGPT is. Nothing is needed than just your simple prompt. The rest is outsourced, and therefore we think we can really offer something pretty much of interest for many markets who never had access to product design, to customized products. Kinematics is able to provide that. Yeah, it's really time to show the world what we did. It took us, as I said, 7 years of designing and developing. All that finally is now included on the platform in this interface that is now usable for everyone. Try out, find out. We hope you will enjoy it. I think it's a new and laid-back, highly comfortable way. And it finds, in best case, its own place in the tech cosmos, in something where we could hopefully fill in a gap. Yeah, you're welcome. Just try out, find out. We're there. That's it. Welcome at Kabkin.